How to close your Wish account and remove a payment information. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is obviously remove your cards. For that, you would need to get into your settings. So make sure that you are on your wish.com and you are logged into your account, right? So simply tap on the menu bar on the top left corner. If you are logged into your account, you'll be able to see the option of settings. Simply tap on that settings, and if you are logged into your account, here you will be able to find your manage payment option. What you're going to do is simply delete all of your card from that payment method of your Wish, and then from there, in order to close your account, simply get into this page again, then tap on settings, and like I said, if you are logged into your account, you will actually be able to find the option of account settings. Tap on that one, and then you can scroll all the way down. You'll be able to see delete account. Simply tap on delete account, and in there you would actually need to verify your identity via email or SMS link in order to finalize your closure. And just like this, you'll actually be able to delete your Wish account and remove your payment information. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.